Alright, so we're going to go ahead and show you how to make a thumbnail with the TubeBuddy software. So you just go into whatever video that you want to make a thumbnail for. Alright, and then you scroll down a little bit. You see the icon there that says Create Thumbnail with the little TubeBuddy symbol. So you go ahead and click on that and open up that browser. Okie dokie. So what we have here is we can take a still frame from the video. You can do a solid color, or you can import an image or existing thumbnail. And so we always try to use our background and then put our other pictures or your words or whatever. So this one's really simple and easy to use. Alright, so if you want to add an image, you can add an image. And these are any images that you've used previously. They've got some stock images that you can use. And then you also can upload custom image files. So in this one here, I'm going to actually take a frame from the video itself. And then we're going to put some text on it, and you can very quickly and easily select your text that you want to put. You can select whatever color that you want. You can select the size that you want, which is really nice. You can have it big and bold. I really like this generator because you can have really bold, and then you can also outline it with either black or white, which is pretty great. And then you also have a bunch of different types of lettering that you can use, or fonts. Alright, and then you just hit add, and then you can change the size very easily. So you can put it wherever it fits. Alright, and then if you want to put some more text, you just click out of it, click the text again. Alright, and so we're going to make this one a little bit smaller so that we don't have to resize it as much. Okay, and then if you want, you can outline them in white, which is pretty good, so it makes them pop a little bit. And then if you want something big that a lot of people are doing now on their thumbnails, you can add emojis, which is pretty cool. And they have a lot of different emojis that you can select from, which is really nice. You know, the animals, food, smiley faces, sports, vehicles, all kinds of different stuff. So we're going to throw this guy in there. Alright, and so there we have it. We've got our thumbnail. We hit continue, and then it shows you, compared to other thumbnails that are out there, how yours compares and how yours looks. So if you like it, then you can come down here to save and publish. Are you sure you want to publish this thumbnail? You say OK. Alright, and then the big thing that you need to do is you need to hit reload. So now one thing that I want to tell you, you want to make sure that if you're updating any of your information on the video, you want to make sure you hit save before you come and do the thumbnail, because if once you hit reload, if you haven't saved the stuff that you're working on, it will erase it. So you want to make sure that you work on any of the information tags, title, description, you save it, then you start doing the thumbnail. So right here you just hit reload. Alright, and there we have it. There is our custom thumbnail that we made in about a minute or two. It was quick and easy, and you can, if you have some of the defaults already set, like your background, stuff like that, you can make it a lot quicker. So then you just save your changes, and then you hit back to get out of there, and your thumbnail is set and ready to go so that it can impress the world and get more clicks.